a teacher from Pundi block. Hope you're all doing great. I'm happy and good too. To begin with this session, I'm going to show you some pictures. Can you identify what these pictures are? Okay, let me recall you what these pictures are. They are cube, fume, mule and lute. Okay, have you found any similarity in the sound while I pronounce these words? Yes, all these words have the long vowel U sound in it. The long vowel U has two sounds. One is U sound and the other one is U sound. In this session, we are going to concentrate particularly on the first sound U. To apply this long vowel U sound, the first and foremost rule is magic E. That is, when this letter U follows a consonant and ends with the letter E, it has to be pronounced as U. For example, when U follows a consonant B and ends with the letter E, it has to be pronounced as Ube. U, when combines with Yum and E, it has to be pronounced as Yum. U, when combines with Yal and E, it has to be pronounced as Yule. U, when combines with T and E, it has to be pronounced as Ute. Shall we see it with the words Cube, cube, fume, fume, mule, mule, lute, lute. Shall we repeat it again? Cube, cube, fume, fume, mule, mule, lute, lute. The second thing is UE pattern. That is, when this letter U combines with the letter E, it has to be pronounced as U. For example, U, due, val, U, value, avenue, avenue, when, you, venue. Shall we repeat it again? U, due, val, you, value, avenue, avenue, when, you, venue. The third thing is EW pattern. That is, when this letter E combines with the letter W, it has to be pronounced as U. For example, U, due, you, few, you, mew, you, new. Shall we say it together? You, due, you, few, you, mew, you, new. Okay children, I hope you all have understood today's class. Practice the worksheets given in the description and come back to next class to know more things. Thank you.